Hey coffee drinkers, I'm about to blow your mind. Here's something you never knew about your coffee maker. Your automatic drip coffee machine has a filter that you're supposed to be changing regularly, and it ain't the one you put coffee grounds in. I'm talking about the charcoal filter in your coffee maker's water reservoir that removes chlorine and calcium, as well as undesirable tastes and smells from your water. And if that doesn't already knock you for a loop, you're supposed to be changing it every 60 days. Admit it, in all the years you've owned your coffee maker, and all the coffee makers that came before it, you've never once changed this filter. Well, now that you know, here's how to change the charcoal filter in your automatic drip coffee maker. Hit save if you don't plan on doing this right this second. Follow these steps. Google the charcoal filter type your coffee maker uses and order it from your friendly neighborhood world-dominating online marketplace. Open the top of your coffee maker and find the water reservoir. Find the filter holder, a long plastic component inside the reservoir, and remove it. Flip open the bottom of the holder. Remove the old charcoal filter. Trash it. Unpackage the new filter. Soak the new filter completely in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes to get rid of loose carbon dust. Rinse the filter off under a cold faucet. Let it drain completely. Place the new filter into the plastic holder, flat side up, curved side down. Snap the filter holder shut. Lower the holder all the way back into the coffee maker's reservoir. And if you learned something there, and I know you did, please like and share. It's good.